Draper Tools offers a range of bench and floor standing pillar drills to suit all home and professional workshop requirements. There are 9 different machines with motor sizes ranging from 250 watts up to 1500 watts and 5-speed machines up to 16-speed machines. Throat depths range from 100mm up to 380mm, with maximum drilling capacities in steel from 13mm up to 32mm. All are fitted with emergency stop switches, rack and pinion rise and fall tilting tables, and cast base plates. Also included in the range is a floor standing radial drill, especially designed for where drilling space is limited. So whether you're an agricultural, automotive or other industrial workshop or a home user, Draper really does have a pillar drill to suit your requirements.